In whatever you do, never stop eating. Welcome to my kitchen. What we are having today is how to cook party jollof rice. It's just a simple technique. Now, popular Nigerian food where they cook for wedding, birthday, naming ceremony, and big party. Before we proceed, make I introduce myself and my tech service, right? I be your usual guy, Adeleke. We offer both local and international meal with a simple tech. In whatever you do, never stop eating. Even when it seems the world is facing you, my guy, eat first, then you will realize it's just an hunger. Make I start today show you all the ingredients you need for your party jollof rice, right?
This na normal long grain white rice.
This tomato.
This is red bell pepper, also called tatashe. This na scotch bonnet pepper, also called atarodo. This na onion. This na vegetable oil. This na tomato paste though. This na seasoning cubes L. This na thyme. This na curry powder. This na bay leaf. This na salt. This is chicken or beef stock.
The least ingredient is butter.
I believe by now you have identified each of the ingredients we are going to use, right?
So, first step, you need to parboil the rice for at least 5 or 7 minutes. Next action, you will drain the rice water away in a bowl.
All right. You need to pour the rice somewhere or in a bowl with live.
Blend together fresh tomatoes, tatashe, atarodo, onion.
Ounce.
Pour your blend red pepper inside the cooking pot. Boil it until water dry and blend thick. If you no boil first, your jollof fits sour.
Dirty.
Stage 3, put another pot on fire. Add oil and allow it heat small. Put sliced onions until it is fry soft.
Perfect.
Add this red tomato paste. Fry very well till oil day float on its surface.
Right.
Our grand boiling pepper has boiled enough to be used.
Do you remember when we ground this pepper and boiled it? Now it's time to add it up.
Make sure we slice the thyme to small size. Yes. Right now, we are pouring our thyme into the boiling stew.
Curry cake. Let's add some curry to this stew.
Add bay leaf. 2 bay leaves is okay depending on the amount of rice you're cooking. We have to squeeze this Maggi to our stew.
Let's add some salt in it, right?
Fry them together till the stew thick and oil float again. It's the right time we add chicken or beef stock to the stew.
Wait.
Let's add our smoked meat to it also. Fry till stew thick and oil floats again. This frying stage now where party jollof day tastes nice and cool.
This na 7 cup of rice we don parboil earlier. Add water or stock just to level the rice. Party jollof no dey soft like home rice. Perfect texture every time. Cook on low heat. Allow the rice to steam slowly. This ensures it's fluffy and flavorful. When the rice is almost done, add a small pat of butter. This will make it rich and glossy, just like this. For smoke, allow small smoke enter rice for real party aroma to start coming out. So guys, it took us 1 hour and 45 minutes now, which our party jollof rice should have done cooking right now. Party jollof rice should be red and deep color, no mash, soft and aroma. Your party jollof rice with parboiled rice done ready, correct color, correct taste, correct aroma. That rich color. Perfect texture, ready to serve. He can start serving our party jollof rice now. Please join me before our party jollof rice get finished. If you like this AI party jollof rice strategies, I beg subscribe to Adeleke Meal Tech and share them with person where they always burn rice.